Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, I think we're in a wave Z right now. I think this is a big WXYXZ pattern on like the 4 hour to daily time frame. If that is true, then we likely need to be a wave A. We likely need to see a wave B, which I don't really think is over yet. And we need to most likely see another push up that would take out the wave Y for the wave C of wave Z. Definitely a complex overlapping corrective pattern, that's for sure. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move up from here to here. I think that this is not a complete pattern. I think this is only like maybe a wave A. I think we need to go down to at least a 38 or maybe even the 50%, maybe end up doing something along these lines for the end of an ABC correction, which hopefully is the end of a wave B and the beginning of a new impulsive move up, which would be very similar to this impulsive move for the beginning of a wave C. Like I said, most likely an ABC of wave Z. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.